Good day, everybody. Hope you are doing great today. Today we'll factorize an expression. Says factorize completely minus 4wz cubed minus 2w square z square plus 20w cubed z. So in all of these problems, we have to take out the highest common factor out. So the first thing we can definitely, all of these 4, 2, 20, they're even numbers. So we can take 2 outside the parenthesis. So equal to 2 outside the parenthesis. What else we can take common between them? The lowest exponent of w is w in this first term. So take that out, because there's a w present in all the three terms. What about z? The lowest common, the lowest exponent of z is 1 in the last term. Okay, so we will take that outside the parenthesis also. Finally, we can take a negative 2 outside. That is, divide all the numbers by negative 2. Okay, that should do it. Okay, so minus 4 divided by minus 2 is 2. W divided by W is gone, is 1. Z cube divided by Z is Z square. Okay. Minus 2 divided by minus 2 is plus 1. So we write a plus. Then W square divided by W is W. Z square divided by Z is Z. And remember, we took a minus 2 out. So 20 divided by minus 2 is minus 10. Then we took the Z out, so that is gone. Now W cubed divided by W, we will be left with a W square. Okay, so if you compare this 2Z square plus WZ minus 10W square with AX square plus BX plus C, then A is the coefficient of Z square is 2 and C is the constant term. C is minus 10. Let's forget about the W square part, just the constant of minus 10. Now, therefore, AC is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 10, which is minus 20. Remember the rule, we have to factorize AC in such a way that when added together, it will give us the coefficient of X or B in this case. Now, we are taking WZ as X, okay? So B is 1. Why? Because it's 1WZ. Okay, so A is 2, C is minus 10, B is 1. So, two factors of A and of AC added together should give B. And what can be these two factors? Okay, should give B. B, which is equal to 1. Now, and the two factors, same two factors, when multiplied together, should give AC equal to minus 20. Now, please do not leave me halfway. Please wait till the end of the program, because I'll give you an important tip at the end of this program. I have tips all over my channel. So please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, and check out my playlist, Algebra Problem, where I've solved all kinds of algebra problems just for you. So please stick around till the end. I'll give you an important tip or hint at the end of this program. Now, if I create some space, so what are the factors of minus 20, which when added together will give us 1 and multiplied together will give us minus 20. So this can be 5 times minus 4. Also notice 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, which is B, which is the coefficient of X. Okay, so this checks out. Okay, this meets both the conditions. So these are so let me erase and write 5 and minus 4 are the required factors for AC. Okay, why so you ask? Let's do it this way now. So we have, let me create some space here. We have 2z square plus wz minus 10w square. You can split the wc into this 2z square plus 5wz minus 4wz. Notice 5wz minus 4wz is 1wz minus 10w square. Okay. Now we will factorize them, taking two terms together. So from the first two terms, you can take out the common factor of z. So if I take out a z, 2z squared divided by z is 2z, and 5wz divided by z is 5w. Okay. Now my goal is to get a common factor from the next two terms of 2z plus 5w. Okay. So the only way I can do that is if I take out a common factor of 2w, because 4wz divided by 2w is 2z, and minus 10w squared divided by 2w is equal to 5w. So minus 10w squared divided by 2w. Let me write this clearly so that there is no confusion. This is a w. Okay. Because 2 minus 2w times 2z is minus 4wz, and minus 2w times 5w is minus 10w squared. Now notice 2z plus 5w is common in both the terms. So take that outside and write 2z plus 5w outside, and then z from the first term and minus 2w from the second term. But we have been asked to factorize. Remember, the whole thing is minus 2wz times the expression we factored. So the factorization of minus 2w times 2z square plus wz minus 10 square, I should say complete factorization, is minus 2w times 2z plus 5w times z minus 2w. Okay. Actually, it was minus 2wz, which was outside. In the first step, we took out minus 2wz out as a common factor. Minus 2wz the entire thing is the complete factorization. Minus 2w. So that's your complete answer. Okay. I stop here today. If you have any question, any concern, please write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I wanted to give you an important tip at the end of this program. So what is my tip or hint? So if you look at the initial problem, this looks quite complicated, but you are looking for common factors between the all three terms. And notice between -4, -2, and +20, the common factor, the number is -2. Once you are done with -2, then you look for common factors between w and w. And the lowest power of w in the first one term is w. So you take w outside. Then you look for the lowest power of z, and that is z in the third term. Therefore, you took out -2wz outside the parenthesis, and it is as if you divided the entire expression by -2wz. And then you are left with 2z square plus wz minus 10w square. Okay. Now you compare that with ax square plus bx plus c. Your a is 2, your c is -10. So ac is 2 times -10 is -20. Using the AC method, you want to find two factors of -20, which when added together will give B, which in this case is 1, because 1 is in front of WZ, and which when multiplied together will give AC. These are 5. These two factors are 5 and -4, because 5 times -4 is AC, which is -20, and 5 minus 4 is 1, which is B, which is the factor of WZ, or which is the coefficient of WZ, the number in front of WZ. And then you split up WZ into 5WZ, the term in the middle, 5WZ minus 4WZ. And then you complete the factorization in the way you normally do. Okay, but remember initially you took out -2wz, that stays, and then the remaining two factors. Okay, I stop here today. If you have any question, comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And if you like this video, share with your friends. I appreciate that. And you and your friends, Please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, and then check out my playlist, Algebra Problems, where I've solved tons of algebra problems just for you. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to visit me tomorrow when I'll be back with solution for another algebra problem. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.